excavator is digging a pit. Pile the dirt here. Wow, that's a lot of dirt. Excavator, be careful. Oh no! The barn's gonna fall! Ha! Luckily I am safe! Oh no! Excavator, run away! Oh, what should we do? There's no way for Excavator! Come on, Excavator! The barn's finally stopped!
Hey! Wow!
Yeah! Look! Excavator is too tired. Oh, it's falling apart. What should we do?
Huh?
Oh, got an idea! We can use these steel pipes to build a new steel frame. Truck, unload the steel pipe.
Hey-ya!
Teddy is going to build the frame. Put them together. It's done! Yeah! Excavator, come to help!
Yeah!
Look, the frame is done. Crane has also arrived.
Hi!
Lift up the barn. Extend the supporters. Raise the boom. Hook the barn. Hold the crane. Excavator, give it a hand. Oh yeah! It's finally done! Crane completed its task. Look, the barn is now secure.